In this video, I'm going to teach you how to print Microsoft Planner board. So in order to do that, you first need to head over and make sure that you're signed in into an account by Microsoft Planner. So from in there, just proceed to sign in by going to login.microsoft.online. Now do take note that you need to have a paid subscription in order to access this, or you need to be under an organization with a paid subscription. So proceed to sign in, then enter right here your credentials in order to particularly log in. Now in here we have our actual Microsoft Planner. Now in order to print your planner board, what you can do is you just need to navigate to the planner board that you wish to use. On my case, let's choose in here this YouTube Project Management. From in there, you can see this. So what we can do in this case is in order to actually print it, you just need to click on the Control P on your Windows or Command P on your Mac. So let's click on Control P for that. After that, this will open in here this window wherein you can see the actual planner board right here. So instead of Microsoft and choosing here printer, it can be Microsoft Print to PDF or other printers available. So for this case, just choose right here the printer that you want. Choosing here the copy. How many copy do you need for this case, as well as how many pages for this. Choosing here as well the color, and you can expand the settings. You can choose the paper size, the scalable or printable area, margins, background graphics, as well as you can also print it via the actual catalog. On this case, let's choose landscape option in order to make things better. So this will load. And then after that, you can see its preview in here again. Now for that, just proceed to click on this print in order to print your planning board. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.